Hey y'all, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for sticking around. You guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be discussing everything Gala games, see what is happening with the price of Gala, and of course what we could be expecting as we close out the month of March. Thank you so much for your support as always, but now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the overall market, on Sunday, closing out Sunday, usually, on the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation than usual. Reason as to why that's the case is because of CME futures being closed. But what a beautiful way for Bitcoin to close, the daily candle at $67,000. And, this is giving me, this feeling that, this upcoming week ahead of us could be a really nice week as we end off the month of March. Which honestly, in my opinion, since the bullish momentum did start for the space, has been the best, month by far. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that has been just the best month. Just look at it on the monthly side of things. We've been seeing insane gains being made across the board. But of course, if you're looking at Gala today, up 10.6%, really nice bounce. If you're looking at its price, 6.76 cents, so almost 6.8 cents in terms of its price. It's also up 5% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. But now if we're focusing on its market cap, that's looking really nice as well, approaching that $2.5 billion in terms of its market cap, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $322 million. I'm loving what I'm seeing for Gala, really bouncing back, after seeing these dips. When projects like this bounce back up so quickly, shows you that, the momentum is still definitely on their side. And obviously the best thing about Gala compared to the previous bull market was, the amount of coins that were in circulating and the amount of coins that could potentially be unlocked. And we've seen, that number obviously increased quite a bit, which is good now. The tokenomics look 1,000 times better, and on top of that, the Gala team did burn a huge chunk, just mid last year, which of course, if you are part of the Gala community, you know that. But let's talk about the price. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start off with Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance index is still around 53.3%. You guys really want to understand the significance of this, because if this number was a little higher, we wouldn't have seen altcoins have this much freedom as to what we're seeing right now. Majority, yes guys, that's correct, majority of the altcoins right now are outpacing BTC. Now if we had seen Bitcoin dominance sitting at around 55%, I don't think that would have been the case. So altcoins still have that freedom to outpace BTC right now, and that is obviously really nice to see, and that is a beautiful thing for Gala itself. So thank Bitcoin dominance for this. But now if you're looking at BTC, obviously, if you watch my other updates, you know about this, but if not, just kind of let's take a brief look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has seen a beautiful bounce since, the 22nd low at about 62.7. We are pushing up to that 68K resistance, which I have emphasized on my other videos, how important it is. But, the best thing for you guys to focus on is that the Bitcoin price did close its daily candle around $67,000 for Sunday. So that is giving me an indication, as I said in the earlier update, that, we could see this upcoming week ahead of us be positive as we close out the month, because we pretty much have about a week left until this month is officially over. So now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at our good old friend Gala games. So you're seeing Gala definitely on the daily time frame making this bounce up towards the upside. Obviously we broke out of that key resistance, which we were facing last time I did the update, which was about 2 days back. But now we are seeing that exact other resistance that kind of dates back to August of August of 2022. That is coming in its way. So let's take a look at it on the shorter time scale and see what is happening. So especially when you look at it on the hourly time frame, you're seeing this nice pattern playing out. Obviously, after having an extensive rally for Gala, you are going to see some sort of a pullback, and obviously Bitcoin did see a retracement that is going to impact the price of Gala as well. So you're looking at about a 42% drop from its from its yearly high. But look at this bounce. I'm really liking this. If you want to put this into perspective, you're looking at about a 34.5% bounce, literally from March the 19th. This is about 5 days back. Yeah, 5 days back. If you picked up some Gala around here, which is at at a massive support line, you did see about a 35% gain. But at the same time now, we're facing some resistance, and I'm sure you guys can kind of see this on the hourly time frame. This resistance is coming in its way right now. If this resistance is able to break out, which I think it will, because Bitcoin is showing some positive momentum on its side, I think we're not going to have a hard time getting back up to this resistance, which we haven't seen since March 16th. So March 16th was a retest at that resistance. So this is what I want you guys to focus on. March 16th was a retest, which was a rejection. And of course, after breaking below it, we did see a few different retests above this key support. Obviously, at that time, it was a support, but we saw a few rejections at that point as well. So that obviously was not good. But this time around, if it's able to break out of this key resistance, I think we could be pushing up to a new yearly high, approaching that 10 cents mark. So that's how I'm currently taking a look at Gala Games. Do pay very close attention to Bitcoin, because I think this upcoming week is going to be really, really exciting. If Bitcoin is able to break out of 60K, wow, that's absolutely crazy. $68,000 price point. If it's able to do that, I'm optimistic that we will see more upside for Gala as well. And I'm clearly seeing positive momentum on its side. Do let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.